My name is Erin Tacky. I'm from Northwest Indiana, USA. I'm 37 years old and I'm a homemaker. I've had a bad back for about 7 years now. I've already had one surgery, which was a discectomy 7 years ago. I haven't really had much relief from that. The past 5 years, I've been just in increasing pain. 2 years ago, I got diagnosed with breast cancer, so I decided to go ahead and wait to do anything else with my back. After I was done with treatment for the breast cancer, everything else in my back just started to explode. It got to the point in the past year and a half where I've barely been able to walk. I took pain medication, muscle relaxers. It only masked the pain. It allowed me to function, basically. It's not like I would take that and then I would wake up and then it would all be fine. It would have to be, I would take it again and again and again. I've known for 3 years that I needed a 2-level spinal fusion of L4, L5, and L5S1, but I have a rider on my insurance, which means that they won't cover anything to do with my spine in the States. So that's why I haven't been able to do anything. After I was done with the cancer treatments, I really wanted to get my life back, and surgery was the only way. I contacted a company called HealthBase online, and they are the ones that matched me up with Fortis Hospital and Dr. Rajakumar in particular and his team. When we were picked up at the hospital, we were picked up by one of the Fortis international people. Very nice, very pleasant. They grabbed our bags, brought us to the hospital, checked us in. The first time I met Dr. Rajakumar, I really liked him. I felt that he knew exactly what to do for my spine. He's done this procedure over and over again, and I wouldn't have wanted to have anyone else other than Dr. Rajakumar doing this surgery. I only want to do it once. This is it. I don't want to come back. I don't want to have it done again. I want to be done, and I feel very confident that with Dr. Rajakumar, it is done. So long as I listen to what he says, I will be fine. The main reason I came here to India was because I couldn't afford it back home. I'm one of the many Americans that have insurance, but whose insurance coverage has a rider on my spine, which means that they will not touch anything with my spine. I looked at paying for it out of my own pocket as cash. I looked at getting assistance. I've looked at everything. The surgery back home would have cost about $100,000. That doesn't include physical therapy. That doesn't include any medications. And if something horrible would have happened, it wouldn't have covered that either. Covers about maybe the hospital, about 3 days in the hospital, the surgeon, the anesthesiologist. Here I was able to have the surgery, have superior care. I was in the hospital for 10 days. I'll be here at the hotel now for another 7. All of those days, pretty much I'm having physical therapy as well, and it's cost a fraction. I would recommend Fortis to my friends. It is a great way for someone that might be in a similar situation, whether they are uninsured, underinsured, or just don't have the means to afford the surgeries in the United States. Fortis has been wonderful. It's very reasonable. Everything is very clean. They're helpful, they're happy. It is a really good experience. I do feel happy about the whole outcome of the surgery. I'm really looking forward to living my life pain-free and to be able to walk and do things with my kids. That is something you cannot beat. The surgery has been successful. I shouldn't have any problems so long as I listen to what Dr. Rajakumar says. And I will be doing that. I will be doing that. I'm very happy with how everything has turned out. I'm happy to walk. I'm happy to be able to sit here and not be in excruciating pain. And I'm happy to be able to get on with my life.